In today's video, we're going to explore a nifty feature in Google Chrome that can really enhance your browsing experience, changing the size of tabs. Whether you're a multitasker or just prefer a cleaner look, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand Chrome's default tab layout. Chrome is designed to adjust the size of its tabs automatically based on the number of tabs you have open. As you keep opening more tabs, they shrink in size to fit the window. But what if you want more control over this? That's what we'll be covering today. Chrome has a hidden section called Experiments where you can tweak advanced features. To access this, type Chrome // flags in the address bar and hit enter. Here you find a plethora of experimental features that can change how Chrome looks and behaves. Be cautious, though these are experimental and can be unstable. To change tab sizes, look for flags like tab scrolling. Click on the drop down next to the flag and choose your preferred tab size option. You can select from pinned, iMedium or large depending on what's available. After making your selection, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser to apply the changes. Just click the relaunch button at the bottom. Once Chrome restarts, you'll see the tabs in the new size you selected. It's that easy. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to customize your Chrome tabs to suit your browsing style. Remember, these features are experimental and might not be permanent, but they're worth trying out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more exciting tech topics. Until then, keep experimenting and happy browsing.